If you're new to charcoal grilling and just the idea of grilling intimidates you, then this video is for you. Today I'm gonna show you how to light a charcoal grill properly, how to control the heat using vents, and I'll show you what the two-zone method is, and I'll show you how to grill juicy chicken drumsticks step by step. Let's get into it. So here I'm cleaning out the grill. We have charcoal from the last cook I had, and by doing that the ash is gonna fall to the bottom of the kettle, and I'll just clean out the ash and just remove all the ash. Today we're gonna be using briquettes because briquettes burn consistently. They are affordable and they're just easy to use. You can use lamp charcoal. Lamp charcoal tends to burn hotter, also faster, and it's less predictable than briquettes. So my recommendation for you is to start with briquettes. Here we have a chimney starter, and it's really awesome, man. This is really cool. The thing about it is that it lights charcoal evenly without lighter fluid. And how you use it is you crumple paper at the bottom and sprinkle some oil on it and then light the paper. And then you wait for around 15 to 20 minutes and you're good to go. The briquettes are ready when most of the charcoal are lit. There's some people who say that they need to be covered with gray ash. Personally, I usually just wait till most of the coal looks like this. We're gonna be using the two-zone method. So one side is gonna have direct heat and the other side is gonna have indirect heat. You get more control when you're grilling when you do it this way. I like to open the vents, the top vent and the bottom vent, so that the air can just flow in the kettle and out the kettle. I've always used a wire brush to brush the grate, and some people just are not into that. You can use half an onion or half a lemon to clean your grill grates. But you have to be careful though. You don't want to get burnt. Here I'm using a seasoning mix called SPG, which is salt, pepper, garlic, which is 2 parts salt, 1 part pepper, 1 part garlic powder, and I've also added 1 part paprika. You can wash your chicken, but I usually don't wash my chicken. Hopefully the chicken police won't arrest me for this. Season the chicken, put it on the grill. If you want to grill your chicken really fast, I recommend just keeping both the top vents and the bottom vents open. Now, if you want to cook your chicken for a very long time, I recommend cooking your meat with the vents halfway. I like to use a thermometer just to monitor my meat. What we have here is a Weber Bluetooth thermometer, and most thermometers are like this. You just pick your meat. In this case, I'm cooking chicken drumsticks. It'll tell you that the ideal temperature is 165, and then just let it ride until it gets to 165. And there you go. Look at that. It looks so good. This chicken turned out really well seasoned. Let me take a bite. Look at that. It's really moist inside, juicy, very flavorful on the outside. I hope you like this video, and I wish you well grilling. And man, you totally got this.